in the bag of all the things I've been given to mend and fix and to do whatever I want with them, I have this lovely cargo shirt with its zipper and pockets and even a cord I just realized it had, and it really caught my eye. It's a really nice shirt from Mango. It has a love top stitching on the back, it has details on the shoulders, it has its zipper, its buttons, and a cord I didn't see until just now that it goes on the inside, so you can fit it a bit more. And the good thing about this kind of garment is that you can wear it on its own, or you can wear it open as a waistcoat, which is really good for where I live in Tenerife, for this sort of changing weather. And I think it's really wearable because of the color as well. This green color, it's really good for your wardrobe. It's a good everyday color, really. I've been told a few times that I need to make projects and make stuff bigger, make it wider, but for now I've been given a few things that are bigger on me, so I'm going to mend them as well. So the plan is simple. Every time I want to take in something, I just go to the side seams and take the excess fabric off, and that's it. And because I want it to be nicely finished, I'm going to make some flat felt seams. They are really nice. They are almost the same as French seams. They are sewn differently, but I mean the finish. The finish is almost like French seams, but French seams have this lap, this flap on the sides, so you won't get this with flat felt seams because they stay flat on the side. They don't bother you at all. So I was going for that until I realized about the cord detail. And the problem is that the cord goes on top, this canal that goes on top of the side seam. I can't just sew it because I'll interrupt the cord. So I'm going to start by taking out the cord and taking all of this seam off just before the side seam. And why do I have to do all of this? Well, because I want to keep it. I think it's a nice detail. And if I sew on top of it, then the canal will be useless, because I'm taking all the cord's little road to run in there, so it has no point. So I'm going to rip this, not rip just the seam, until past the side seam. And I'm being really careful because these thin fabrics rip really easily, so with the seam ripper it's a bit more dangerous. And how do we do a flat felt seam? I'm going to cut my excess fabric and I'm going to leave a lot of seam allowance, like almost 2 centimeters. Then I'm going to cut one of the sides shorter so I can wrap it with the longer side and flatten it on top to top stitch it. It's really nice and really durable as well. Of course, I also opened the hemline so I can do it properly, and my thread is a bit darker, it's a bit more green bottle than this one, but I haven't got any similar one, so I'm going for it. Of course, for sewing this, you can leave it with the pins, I'm going to do that, or you can even baste it, whichever makes you feel more comfortable, but I'm going to press it a little bit so it's flatter and easier to sew. The little piece of fabric in which the cord is inserted had a little buttonhole, which I'm losing because I just cut the excess. But I'm not going to bother making another one, I'm just going to hem the edge, hem the end of it, so the cord can just go in and out easier, and it's one thing less you have to do. Una cosa menos que hacer. All these little bits are going in the scraps basket, and I'm going to put the cord in with the help of a safety pin because it's the only way. So this is it. I'm quite happy with the result and I'm quite pleased. I realized about the cord, so I didn't lose it because it's a pity. It's a nice detail and I could have just ruined it if I'm going too fast. So that was good. Let me know down in the comments what you thought. If you like mending things, I love mending stuff and making the most out of what we have, and I leave you here a link all about mending so you can have a few ideas to what to do with the stuff you have. Bye!